Uy, Pag-ibig member ka ba? Alam mo ba, na pwede kang mag-loan ng bahay dito sa Lakeshore, Pampanga gamit ang Pag-ibig membership mo? We offer townhouse, single attached, and one of our best-selling units is our single detached. If you're interested, let me help you with your investment. By the way, I'm Kate, and see you here in Lakeshore, Pampanga.